Hey guys, welcome to Trivial Tuesday. Today I'm going to run down a list of 10 facts about supernovae and stars. 1. The first recorded supernova was almost 2,000 years ago. In 185 AD, Chinese astronomers noticed a bright light in the night sky. They recorded it in the book of Later Han. They observed it for months until it finally faded. They named it a guest star. 2. Many of the elements we are made of come from supernovae. Many things, from the oxygen that you breathe, to the calcium that's in your bones, to iron and even silicone in your phone or computer that you're watching this video on, all came from a star that exploded in a supernovae that ended up pushing all of that to here on Earth, that we've collected it, used it as a resource. A supernova could cause a mass extinction here on Earth. The power in a supernova is tremendous. If one happened in our galaxy, or even close enough to our galaxy, the energy emitted from it could literally fry everything on the planet, causing a mass extinction. 4. Supernovae light can echo through time. Just like sound waves can bounce from thing to thing, supernova light can bounce off of cosmic dust and gases and then be redirected at Earth. Because of this, scientists can look at it and decode a supernova that happened literally hundreds of years ago. 5. Supernovae occur at least 10 times a second. Due to the sheer number of stars in the known universe, there are a lot of stars, and I know you might think that they don't occur that often because you see a lot of stars, but just realize that those stars may not be there because of the light bouncing off of the gases and the dust and taking the slow route to us on Earth. You can see them now, but if you were to go there, they might not be there. Scientists discover over 1,000 supernova a year. 6. Stars are in a perfect balance. Stars go through a tremendous inner battle. They have to fight the gravity pulling in from every molecule and atom on their surface with the pressure from all that nuclear fission happening. Now, if any side were to win, a cosmic death of that star would occur. If the gravity pulling in wins, we get a black hole. If the pressure pushing outward happens, we could see a red giant, a red supergiant, or even a blue giant, depending upon how big, how hot, and how much mass the star already had. 7. Mass equals temperature equals color. There are a lot of types of stars, ranging from red to white yellow to blue. Red is the coolest, coming in at 350 Kelvin or 5,840 Fahrenheit. Our sun, which is a white yellow, comes in at 6,000 Kelvin or 10,340 Fahrenheit. And the hottest is the blue. It comes in at a whopping 12,000 Kelvin or 21,140 Fahrenheit. The size affects this as well. The more mass, the bigger it is, the hotter it gets. 8. Most stars come in pairs. These stars that come in pairs are called binary stars. They orbit the center of gravity, one center of gravity. So that scene from Tatooine in Star Wars where there were 3 suns, or that solar system from Riddick, that is very real. 9. The biggest stars would engulf Saturn. There are stars called red supergiants. One of the famous ones we see in Orion's belt, Betelgeuse. It is 20 times the mass of our sun, but 1,000 times the size. The biggest known one is VY, Canis Majoris. It is so big that it literally would engulf the orbit of Saturn. And there are a lot of stars. To the naked eye, over the entire Earth, there are 9,096 visible stars. At one point, in one hemisphere, you only see roughly 2,000 stars. However, scientists estimate that just in our Milky Way to be at least 1 trillion stars, and there are probably more than 1 million galaxies just close to us. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, click that bell, like, share, and until next time. Ooh, shiny.